जापान बायोसिक्योरिटी लेजिस्लेशन। इन लेजिस्लेशंस को तैयार करने के लिए जापान मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ, लेबर एंड वेलफेयर इन्वॉल्व है। Actually, this ministry deals with the two pillars of biosecurity. One is the surveillance of infection and the infectious diseases, that how the infectious agents should be processed, handled and stored. Now, the second pillar of biosecurity, which is designed by the Japan Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare, is the regulation of pathogen handling, that there must be special establishment of the procedures and there must be proper regulation and implementation of those procedures as well. Now, Japan has created a different way. They screened foods, even human beings, vectors at the point of entry into the Japan. So food, vectors and even human beings are screened whenever they enter into the state of Japan. Then Japan Ministry of Agriculture, Forest and Fisheries deals with the health issues of animals and plants as well. Now, biosecurity legislation without the proper control of bioweapon is incomplete. So, Japan biosecurity legislations, like the legislations of United States and of Canada, it also deals with the bioweapon prohibition laws. इन laws के जरिए bioweapons जापान की state में लाना strictly मना है. So if we want to deal with the biopathogens that are lethal for the human beings for research purpose, then we have to take special permission from the Japan ministry so that they can enter into the Japan state. Otherwise, bioweapons which are used in the form of terrorism, they are totally prohibited for entry into the Japan.